Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Septian. I review true wireless stereo earbuds and in-ear monitors, and today I'm going to be unboxing a new box from Amazon. Go ahead and show y'all what I got inside here. And Desmond, yes, I'm going to take your advice. Cut away from the body. Cut away from the body. Okay. There. Safety first. Alright. These are some new joints. Just got these Saturday. Okay. Put this box to the side. These are the Tozo T9 true wireless earbuds. Turn over on the side, okay. Turn over on the front. Okay, from the looks of what's on the front of the box, these kind of look like the Soundpeats T3. Okay, they come in multiple colors, but us Americans, we only get one, and that's either black or white, or that's pretty much the only colors we get. Let's see what these earbuds have. Okay, it says electronic noise cancellation, minimum noise cancellation of 30 decibels. Got an 8mm speaker, so I'm guessing that means dynamic driver. Powerful and wide sound range. 6 sets of silicone ear tips for comfortable wear. IPX7 water and sweat resistant. Mini and compact. More convenient to carry. Okay. One thing I like about Tozo earbuds is they never skip out on the waterproof rating. It's always either at 1.7, IPX7, or it's IPX8. And sometimes, like the Tozo T6 earbuds that I reviewed, the charging case is waterproof as well. Let me see. Okay, we get the sleeve. Slide that up. Put that to the side. Designed by Tozo. Some paperwork in here. Got a quick guide and a user manual. Alright. And as usual, they always put the earbuds on the outside of the case. These are some glossy suckers right here. Yeah, these do look like the Soundpeats T3. They're almost identical. You would even say they're a more slimmer version of the Tri-Bit FlyBuds NC. So the buds are right there. Got silicone tips up top. I love that they put these in this little like container case thing. 6 sets. Or 6. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 6 sets. Okay, inside here is going to be the USB cable. USB to USB Type-C. Nice, Tozo. Yeah, Tozo would probably be the brand underneath Soundpeats when it comes to true wireless earbuds you can get on a budget. Okay, let's look at the case. I don't know. This case. Yeah. It's alright. Let me put the buds in here and see if there's any juice. See, right, left, close. Okay, we put everything this in the box to the side, so I don't need it no more. Not now anyway, because you already know what kind of tips I'm putting on these. You don't even have to ask. You should know already. Let's look at this paperwork for a minute. I will take a look at the quick start guide first. Okay, you got touch panel. Yeah, simple insert and twist. Yeah, it says rotate earbuds back to the auricle side to fit snugly. Okay, let's look and see what kind of controls we got here. Okay, we got full touch controls. Never doubt Tozo. We got pause play, previous track, next track, volume up, volume down, accept and end calls, activating the voice assistant. Perfect. Perfect. Absolutely perfect. That's good. Don't really know about the shape though. I mean, the NC2s were perfect shape as far as like stem style earbuds is concerned. These, I'm gonna have to do some tests on these. I'm gonna have to really live with these earbuds. Let me see how they fit out of the box. Okay, you got LED indicator lights right underneath the Tozo branding on the bud, on the stem here. As you can see, it's underneath. It's a microphone, charging pin, and there's a microphone up top. They don't feel as premium as their previous buds. I mean, the NC2, the NC7s, they felt real premium. Let me put these in my ear right quick. They fit perfectly. You got pretty good passive noise isolation, although these tips, they're a little too loose for my medium ear holes. They just come right out. Yeah, I'm gonna have to try some different tips. These are they're way too small. Okay, let me try some other ones right quick. Come on, don't troll me. There you go. Let's see here. I'm gonna need, okay, it looks like they got 3 sets. These are more like cone shaped, and then they got the ones that are kind of like an umbrella. So I'm gonna try these out. But yeah, these 2 sets on the end here are the same as the ones that's on the buds, and they're not working for your boy because they're just too, they're too like this. They're too concave. They're kind of like traffic cone shaped. I need something that'll blossom out and grab onto my ears when I put them inside. Let's see. Okay, that's much better.
Wow.
Yep. Now that's passive noise isolation right there. Yep, just twist it. Oh yeah, these fit perfectly. Stem's a little long. Goes past my ears and onto my face, but doesn't interfere with anything. Moving my head around. Yeah, they fit pretty good. So yeah, stock tips will work perfectly if you decide to get these. I think these are on sale right now. I think I got these for like $25 because they were like $39.99 with a coupon code attached to it. So yeah, this has been the unboxing of the brand new Tozo T9 True Wireless Earbuds. Be sure to leave a like, comment, and share this video, and consider subscribing and clicking the bell icon if you enjoyed this one. And with that, enjoy your sound, enjoy your life. I'm out.